We can't cut down rainforests forever, and anything that we can't do forever is by definition unsustainable. If we do things that are unsustainable, the damage accumulates.
Tucked among Bukidnon's rolling hills, Manola Fortich once held vast, lush forests that sheltered diverse wildlife. But lately, the town has faced a worsening threat: steady deforestation that sparked a wave of problems. Farmlands destroyed by soils erosion, climate change-driven weather shifts, declining biodiversity, and lost habitats that had nurtured species for centuries. For its people, the choice was simple: let their home vanish or take action to restore it. Every family suffered from the consequences of deforestation. Farmers saw their crops shrivel when soil became too fragile to retain water, while families feared increasingly scarce drinking supplies and the loss of wild animals that had become part of daily life. But then, instead of despair, the community rose to the challenge, joining hands with local authorities to launch a wave of solutions. First, sustainable agriculture initiatives. Farmers were taught methods of agroforestry, planting crops alongside trees to enrich the soil and reduce further forest land clearing. They learned crop rotation to keep the earth fertile without harmful chemicals, and conservation tillage to prevent erosion. Second, reforestation and afforestation programs. Large-scale efforts took root. Thousands of saplings were planted in damaged areas, with neighbors, students, and volunteers coming together every weekend to nurture the new growth.